The largest bay in Wales is Cardigan Bay. In Welsh it is spelled Bay Ceredigion and was once one of the most important ports in the entire country. Cardigan was a huge exporter of herring, for example, and there were 314 ships at Cardigan in 1815, 7 times more than at Cardiff. Cardigan is an English form of Ceredigion, meaning Ceredig's land. Ceredig was a potentially fictional but nonetheless famous ruler in the 5th century. Cardigan is also known as Abertifi. Aber is of Celtic origin, meaning river mouth, and Tifi, which is the river, is also a predominantly girl's name. The origin of the river can be traced as far back as 485 million years ago, with Iron Age settlements being recorded here. The river Tifi was known for its Atlantic salmon in the 1800s. The word Tifi, with the river Tifi being the longest river completely within Wales, is thought to come from the Brittonic origin of Tafwis, and also Thames, and thus could mean dark water. This river was fortified in the Norman period. Cardigan Bay finds its origins about 450 million years ago. Cardigan developed properly following the Norman invasion, with Cardigan Castle being a wooden structure in 1110, founded by Gilbert Fitz Richard de Clare, and it was rebuilt in 1244. The Kingdom of Ceredigion was formed in the 5th century, with Cardigan Bay making it hard for invaders to attack. The importance of Cardigan as a port town dwindled in the 1800s when Cardigan's harbour silted and with the arrival of the railway, which did bring about a surge in tourism. Ceredigion was formed as a district in 1974, and then a county in 1996.